Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. And man, these markets are a little wild. But we did call the sterling yen. We did call it. Told you. I mean, we go back in time. I still have my markups right here. This was an important point that if we broke through, we're heading down lower. Marketplace re-rallied. It couldn't take out the top, actually showing a bit of weakness, and the market came right down right to our main support, to the pip. To the pip. All right, so what's going on right now? Well, sterling yen is trying to show some strength. Really, it needed to hold. Let me get a level up over here. I'm going to put up an important point right around 20, right around 31. It needs to stay above this level in order to show strength up to the 195, say 72 level. As it's drifting lower, it's potentially coming back down to attack this support point right here at 194.73. Euro yen is quite interesting. Euro yen has been holding up a lot stronger than I thought it would. So there you go. Anything I think, I should just basically say, well, maybe not. Let's put this together right here. So right now, we're still within the range. However, a breakout occurs if we break through this 194, say 70 level. That would actually show continued weakness for sterling yen to probably go back down to, let me see, we got another point over here. Wow, we've been here for a while. Okay, so we're looking at 194, the figure. So break a 194.72 brings us down to 194, the figure. The important point is this chop point that we're having right here at this 28.30 level. We rallied up through it. I did take a buy on this, and man, when it was up in the 40s, I was like, this stuff is not going up, man. So I basically got out with like a 14-tick profit. I didn't even call it on the trading room because it was just like, it wasn't a true signal. So I just said, I think that maybe we can, if we spike, we should get up to like, I thought we were going back up to the 70 level. Didn't happen. Now we're drifting here. Let's go on over to good old sterling dollar. That's the next one. Main support point for cable is 134.13. Right now, as it stands, we went up to what? 136, say 136.23. So hang on. Short-term support for cable sits right at 135.64. I'm going to go to this bar's close right there. That's the short-term support for this. And also, there's an old resistance here that should act as support if you're a sterling bull. If we break down through it, we're probably heading right back down towards the lows again. I would say 135 the figure, and potentially 135.50. Now, if that goes, we're opening up that 134.13, and that is a main support short-term for sterling dollar. So if you're a bull, you'd probably want to see price action, what's going on with price action right in this area right here. If it can't, continue, it's most likely heading back down towards the 135, the figure. All right, let's get on over to good old dollar yen. This one, man. Dollar yen was showing some strength. The dollar versus the yen was showing some strength. The recent data that came out actually shows that there's no real inflation right now, and the Fed should cut rates. But what the Fed should do and what the Fed does are totally two different things. So as it stands right now, the resistance in dollar yen sits at 144.05. It's actually like right up here, 144.07. I'll move it up. This is, you know what? I don't want to change that point because that's an important point for me. So like right there is the resistance point for dollar yen. If dollar yen could muster up enough steam and get through this, we're looking back up into the 144.50 level. If it can't and it starts turning down, we're heading down towards that 142.58. I don't think that's happening today, but that's the overall like price action that we could be looking at. So what do we need next? We need good old euro yen, this beast. No, that's Bitcoin. I don't need Bitcoin. Here it is, euro yen. All right, the important point for euro yen is this level right here, 166.23. It kind of like spiked down through it a little bit, went down to 12. For me, that's always like a little bit of a warning saying that there's some sellers here. And Yes, just by that 1 hour spike through kind of gives me an idea that there are some bears out there. So, and they rated right up here at 166.58. So if this level breaks, we're looking like we're going back down to, I would say, like 80, maybe this level right here, 165.83. If that goes, then we got the main support or short-term support at 165.67, and then of course 165 the figure. All right, so that's what I got going on for you guys on this lovely day of June 12th, 2025. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to share my videos far and wide. I'm trying to build a big trading community. I can't do it without you. So I'll see you in the next update for Friday. TGIF is coming. Cheers.